Go ahead and introduce yourself.
Hello, I'm Mitch Ruffalo, owner of Ruffalo Appliance and Lagana Plumbing and Heating in Newark, New York.
What does the word veteran mean to you?
Veteran. Veteran is very, very special, very near and dear to my heart, and should be for most. My dad served in Korea, and he's still alive, thank God. I remember seeing his uniform one time, and I asked him about it, and he explained it, and then of course, I had to put it on. I was like 10, 11 years old, and I always thought it was really cool, his dress uniform. So it was always kind of neat. And then from that point on, I realized how many veterans we had in our own family that had served. And then later in life, of course, I've had friends, and actually, uh, my own general manager here, Jeff, is a veteran, and so anyway, it just it's very special. These people have gone out of their way to serve our country, to give us what we have in freedom. I respect that.
What does your company do to give back to the veteran community?
Well, we do some small things throughout the year, the usual donations to Tunnels and Towers and Wounded Warrior, and we give discounts when you come in, obviously. But the big thing that we're doing right now is we're doing a furnace giveaway to someone that's nominated in the local communities by their own people, family, friends. And that's huge. That's just near and dear to my heart.
How could I nominate a veteran to win the furnace?
Well, you can do online submissions through our social media, our website, laganaplumbingandheating.com, or you can come into our beautiful showroom and do it in person. I was told years ago, if you got enough to eat, you got enough to give. So we need to share. We need to give back, and this is a way to do it. But we're really looking forward to doing this for somebody. And we'll do it again and again.